this is Monique. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I usually post how-to videos or reviews, and I publish those videos every other day. So please help my channel to grow and subscribe and hit the notification bell. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about something that's going to save you a ton of time when you make your YouTube videos or voiceovers and you're using the Blue Yeti microphone. So this is the Blue Yeti microphone. This is what it looks like. I'm going to tell you how I set up my microphone and why I do these things. This microphone cost me, I think, like $170 to $200. So it is a very good microphone for something that you can just buy at like Best Buy or Walmart or buy it online at Amazon.com. So very awesome. And the reason why I bought this microphone was to improve the sound quality of my videos. I was looking back at one of my old videos a couple days ago, and I saw that I had like so much vibration and noise, and I thought, wow, there is a huge difference between that video and this video. So the first thing I want to talk about is also how to hear yourself when you're talking in a microphone. So it doesn't matter what the settings are. When you are talking into a microphone and listening to your audio, usually I do like a sound test. I know it sounds kind of crazy, but I talk for like a couple minutes and then, well, not even a couple minutes. I talk for a couple seconds and then I put on headphones and I plug it into the bottom of this microphone, or I'll plug it into my computer and I listen to what I sound like just to make sure that everything's working properly and I sound okay. Check all your settings first before you even start talking and doing your video. So next thing that I do is I turn the gain down. So there's a button on here on the back of the microphone called gain, and then underneath that is where you have the patterns button. So I'm just going to flip this around. Okay, so it's really important to not have your gain super high and not have it super low, because you don't want to be talking louder or quieter to adjust your sound. You want to be adjusting the dial and talking at like an even kind of voice, unless you want to do some special effects and stuff like that. So I turn my gain almost like midway down, but not all the way down. You should actually talk about 6 inches, or from like your fingertips to the end of your palm, 6 inches away from the microphone. So not too close, not too far away. You can experiment with this too. If you speak like super close or you speak super far away, then it'll change the sound of your video. So try that out if you want. You know, you might want to do some sound effects and stuff like that. Try moving around and changing the patterns on the microphone. So this is really important, this next one, the position of the microphone. So this information about the position of the microphone is important. It's found in the menu guide that comes with your microphone, and it also is found on the Blue Yeti website. So this type of microphone is called a side address microphone, not a front address microphone, side address. So that is why the microphone is standing straight up. This is the front of the microphone. This is the back of the microphone. You don't talk into the top of this type of microphone. You don't, right? You're talking into this part, that part of the microphone. You can look at pictures that they put on blueyeti.com for this information, or you can look into the booklet. They show you how to position the microphone for the best sound. This microphone costs nearly $200 to buy, so I have a pop filter on it. And so a pop filter, it's supposed to kind of cut down and improve the sound when you're making kind of like a popping or P sound or T sounds and things like that when you're enunciating words. So basically it is stopping the air from traveling too quickly from your mouth into the microphone. So the way a microphone works is it kind of translates the sound into electricity, and then it goes into your computer. So this filter is stopping the speed of the air from making like super or like sounds, like cutting down on vibration when it's going into the microphone. So that's what this filter is for. It also kind of, I know it sounds really gross, but it kind of acts like a spit guard for your microphone. Because think about it, we spit all the time, or like we breathe out particles when we cough and everything like that, and it all goes straight into the microphone if you're going to be talking on a microphone for hours at a time. So that is kind of like a side effect of the filter. It's not what the filter is made for, but it does cut down on spit or liquid hitting the microphone. Next, I'm going to talk about the patterns that are on the microphone. I think there's 4 patterns. I had to look there, 4 patterns that are on this microphone. And so one pattern, I keep it on there all the time and I don't change it because I don't really need to. And I might make a mistake, but I think this is called cardioid. The pattern, it looks like a little heart shape. And that's basically the best for things like podcasts, YouTube videos, or voiceovers. So if you're going to do those type of works, you want to have your microphone on this setting all the time. So basically how it works is that the sound is coming from one direction only. So from this direction. So if something is happening around on this side, it's not picking it up. It's going from one side only. So another pattern is stereo. And it's just like it sounds, it picks up stereo sound. So everything around really wide. So this is something that you would want to use for, like, you know, those videos where people are eating broccoli, those ASMR videos where like, ooh, you know, those types of videos use stereo sound. So another one is called omnidirectional, and that is used to pick up sound everywhere. Like when you're doing a podcast and say you have like 3 people in your podcast and you're using one microphone. So you have person here, person here, person here. All of you can be picked up on that one microphone. So the sound is getting picked up from all directions for like a podcast or something like that. And then the last one is bidirectional, and that's just how it sounds. It's 2 directions. And so that's the front of the microphone and the back. So say if there were 2 people doing a podcast and one person was sitting here and I'm sitting here, that's how we would use this microphone. So like I said, I only use that one setting because it's only ever me talking in the YouTube video, and I want all of the sound to come from me, not anything else around the room. So this video has been how I do my setup on my Blue Yeti microphone. So if you like this video, please subscribe, leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.